Have you ever wondered how to get a hold of your credit report? It's a crucial document that can shed light on your financial health and help you make informed decisions. Today, we're going to dive into the world of credit reports and show you exactly how to download your Equifax credit report as a PDF. So, why is it important to have your credit report? For starters, it's a snapshot of your financial history. It shows your payment history, credit limits, and any outstanding debts. This information can be invaluable when applying for loans, mortgages, or even credit cards. Plus, it can help you identify any errors or fraudulent activity on your account. Step 1. Annualcreditreport.com. The easiest way to get your free annual credit report is through annualcreditreport.com. This government-authorized website is the official source for your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Step 2. Create an account. To get started, visit annualcreditreport.com and click on the Get Your Free Report button. You'll be prompted to create an account. This is a simple process that requires you to provide basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Step 3. Verify your identity. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can access your credit report. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Choose your report. After verifying your identity, you'll be able to choose which credit report you want to download. In this case, we're interested in the Equifax report. Select Equifax from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Download as PDF. Once you've selected Equifax, you'll be given the option to download your report as a PDF. Click on the Download PDF button, and your report will be saved to your computer. Additional tips: while the process of downloading your Equifax credit report is relatively straightforward, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Check for errors. Once you've downloaded your report, it's important to review it carefully for any errors. If you find any inaccuracies, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. Monitor your credit. It's a good idea to check your credit report regularly to monitor your financial health. You can get a free annual credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Consider a credit monitoring service. If you want to keep a closer eye on your credit, you might consider using a credit monitoring service. These services can alert you to any changes in your credit score or report. Downloading your Equifax credit report is a simple process that can provide valuable insights into your financial health. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily access your report and take control of your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download your Equifax credit report today. It's a quick and easy way to get a better understanding of your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.